How to do fast forward effect in Reelshot. Want to speed up your videos for a fun fast forward effect? Here's how to do it in Reelshot. First, open your project and select the clip you want to speed up. Then tap the edit icon, or you can find the speed icon at the bottom in the toolbar. Once you find it, tap on speed. Drag the slider to the right to increase the speed and create a fast forward effect. Preview the clip to check if the speed fits your style. Then tap done once you are happy with it to save it. Use this effect to highlight action or skip boring parts in your video. Ever use fast forward to make your video more exciting? Share your story in the comments below. Pair fast forward with upbeat music to boost energy in your video. And that's how you can do fast forward effect in Reelshot. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.